Glamfam. So today we're going to be doing this look right here with the new Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I started a new channel. It is called Beautybyjosiek and it will be linked in the description box below. If you just search it on YouTube right now, it doesn't come up. Other channels come up, so you have to click the link to get to the channel. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers before I post my first like personal life vlog or, you know, video. So if you guys could go over there and hit subscribe and hit the bell notification, that would be awesome. And yeah, let's jump into this video. Alright guys, let's start this tutorial off with an eyeshadow primer. This is the Sigma eyeshadow primer base in Ignite. It is one of my favorite primers as of right now. It has really good coverage if you need that for underneath your shadow. I do, I know I do. I have a lot of discoloration on my lids. I will link it in the description bar below. I do make a small commission off of Sigma products, so I really do appreciate when you guys do use my links. And then we're going to set that with a translucent powder and jump into the Jaclyn Hill palette, Volume 2. We're going to go in with G Money and start to blend that into our crease and up a little bit higher than we normally would. And then we're going to go in with this super unique purplish pink color. This is called Therapy Sesh, and we're going to put this into the crease as well. It is this beautiful, bright purple pink, but it's kind of on the light side. I absolutely love it. It's probably one of my favorite shades in the whole palette. Then we're going to go in with A Moment, which is a glitter metallic-y shade, and we are going to pop that right onto our lid with our finger. Then we're going to be going in with a Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter eyeliner, and this is in the shade Pyro. We're going to put this onto the inner portion of our eye and feather it out a bit as a base for the sparkler. They are the glitters from Makeup Geek, and this is called Zodiac. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I love this glitter. I'm packing this onto the base, and then we're going to go in with a little bit without the base on our finger and put that onto the rest of our lid to make it look more transitioned from heavy glitter to more sporadic glitter. Then we're going to be going into our eyeliner. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. You guys already know I absolutely love this liner. It's one of my favorites. We're going to first line our eyelid and then follow up our waterline at the same angle that it's going up, and then kind of draw a triangle and fill that in. And then we're going to go into all three of the colors that we used from the palette, and we are going to blend those underneath the eye along our tear duct. First, we're going to take G Money and blend that out pretty well. We're going to bring the blend down a little bit further than we would usually with a smoked under eye. Then we're going to go in with Therapy Sesh and a little bit of A Moment and blend that all together. Then we're going to do our Face Fast, and this is the Collab Hydrating Primer. And then we're going to go in with the Collab Foundation, and we're just going to put that all over our face and then blend that out with a foundation brush. I have been really trying to do my makeup more with brushes, just so I have the option to do it with a brush or a sponge lately, and I actually have been liking it. Then we're going to go in with our concealer, which is by Collab as well. And we are going to just run this where we usually would and blend that out with this amazing little tiny flat kabuki brush. But what makes it awesome is it's a little bit angled. And then once we have everything blended out, we're going to lightly set the face with a powder. This is by e.l.f. And then we're going to be going in with MAC Blunt for our contour today. We're going to do a normal contour and focus this mainly underneath our cheekbones and then lightly around the perimeter of our face. And then the blush is by the Balm Cosmetics. This is Balm Springs, and we are just going to lightly put this onto our cheeks and lightly dust over our nose as well. And then once we have that blended out, we're going to go in with this NYX Strobe of Genius palette. And we're going to go in with the pinkish color, which is this beautiful highlight. And we are going to put that onto our cheekbones and above our eyebrow. And then dust this right above the Cupid's bow and a little bit onto our nose. Then once we are done with that, we're going to go in with lashes. And these are some of my favorites, the Ardell Double Ups. We're going to come back with them on and take a drink of our coffee and move on to our lips. This is Sam Marcel's liquid lipstick in Claudine, one of my favorite nude liquid lipsticks. And we are just going to put this on. And then after we are done with that, that is it for this makeup tutorial. Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel down below, and also my new channel, which I will link in the description below. I'm really trying to get to 100 subscribers on that channel so I can start to post more in-depth life things. I think this look turned out so gorgeous, and I really liked how these colors performed. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I love y'all. Bye! Mwah.